Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download songs with Chrome on your phone. All right, let's begin. First, open the Chrome browser on your phone. In the search bar, type Pixabay and tap on the first result. Pixabay is a free and copyright-free website that lets you download music without restrictions. Once the site loads, swipe left on the homepage until you see the Music section and tap on it. A list of songs will appear. You can browse the tracks or use the search bar at the top to find a specific song by typing its name. After finding the song you want, tap the download icon next to it. You may be asked to choose a location where you want to save the file. Select the appropriate folder and the download will begin immediately. Once the download is complete, open the Files app on your phone. Navigate to the folder where you saved the song. You should now see the downloaded audio file available and ready to play. So that's basically how you can download songs with Chrome on your phone, and that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.